25 lessons from the book Rich Dad and Poor Dad. 1. Pay yourself first. 2. It's not how much money you make, it's how much money you keep. 3. Read financial book, not academic book. 4. Surround yourself with people smarter than you. 5. Don't work for money, make your money work for you. 6. There are no mistake or failures, only lessons. 7. Start business, hire people. 9 to 5 job is scam, it's kill your dream. 8. Study all you can about money system. How money works. 9. Desire and greed are great motivators. 10. Learn about investing before you start investing. 11. Avoiding risks by playing it safe keeps you stuck. 12. Take on the identity of the person you want to be. 13. Action always beats inaction. 14. Be selective about what you feed your mind. 15. You get experienced and smarter by taking risk. 16. Instead of saying I can't afford it, say, how can I afford it? 17. Reduces your expenses and liabilities. 18. Work for experience and satisfaction instead of working for money. 19. Do not rely on a single source of income. 20. Work with your thoughts. 21. Mind your own business. 22. Control your emotions. 23. Be broke and poor. 24. You become what you study. 25. Saving and investing are different.